on the very first night of our dating series, Birds, Bees, Kissing, and Trees. And we've been asking you guys 2 questions. 1, what are you looking for in the opposite sex? And 2, do you think that they'd be surprised by that? And your answers have been awesome.
Gotta keep it. Gotta keep it close. It feels so right.
What are you looking for in the opposite sex?
Well, I would have to say that the person has to be like pretty outgoing, but able to have like a deep conversation.
I love red hair, and so I sometimes am more attracted to the redheaded folk men type.
Mainly that like she can serve next to me or like support me in whatever sort of thing that I want to do.
Knowledge of automobile.
Okay, on a cursory level, she's gotta love camping.
Okay, oh my gosh, I love a guy with a good sense of humor.
Well, my fiance.
I don't know, I'm kind of like one of those people that I love like tall.
Well, she has to be shorter than me.
I like tall guys, I like when they're tall. I mean, like they don't have to be like super tall at all times. I'm just saying like taller than me is good.
Oh, maybe 5'9", 5'10".
Marianne Dupuma to be. I'm feeling I'm gonna get like a weird out of this, but she's definitely gonna have to be ready to hold my hand every second. So.
Which like if you think of a hipster, like
So hipster glasses,
hipster glasses, like
sagging beanie,
kind of yep,
jeans,
yep,
sweater,
yep, all that good stuff.
really big scarf,
Yep.
maybe some Hebrew tats.
Yep. I'd be okay with that. All that good stuff.
With you, do you think girls would think that's surprising?
Yeah, I don't think I scream swing dancer, so or like any sort of thing like that.
Maybe the redheaded comment. People would certainly find that weird.
I want a girl that's not afraid to fart in front of me.